Hi guys, how are you? Happy Tuesday. I'm happy to be here with you today. I want to talk to you about estimated taxes. We only a few days away from the due date to make your estimated taxes for the third quarter. If you are on 1099 or your employer does not withhold enough taxes, or you are a sole proprietor, or you are business owner in general, whether you have LLC or S Corp, you might have to pay estimated taxes. Now, why would you have to pay estimated taxes? Basically because when you have your own business, or if you are a freelancer and you are on 1099, or if you have any income that is not considered with your withholding, if you have an employer also, if you are not withholding taxes, you don't have anyone to withhold taxes, or your employer do not withhold enough taxes, then you have to pay estimated taxes. Because usually what happens when you are in W-2, your employer take that when you fill out like the W-4, you fill in like if you have another job, if you are married, if you are dependent, if you have dependent, all of that information will help your employer determine how much money to withhold from your paycheck, and they make the payment on your behalf for federal and state. So you wouldn't have to worry about it. But if you have wrong information, so they're not withholding enough money, or if you are on 1099, or if you are business owners, then it's your responsibility. It's always your responsibility to make sure there is enough taxes deducted from your payment, whatever, from your income, income taxes. So, and paid for federal and some state also, not all of them. So it is your responsibility to do that. You want to make sure you pay attention to that. I actually have created a small course, like just maybe less than an hour, like few short videos to help you understand if that applies to you, and if it does apply to you, how do you calculate it, and how do you actually make the payment. I'm gonna link that course below, and if you are watching me on YouTube, then you will see it in the description, and feel free to sign up. It's just like less than $50. You can just learn and see, have an idea like what it is, and more details, and give you some visuals also. So you want to make sure it's your responsibility to make sure you have enough taxes paid during the year, so you do not face penalty. Because believe it or not, you might be paying penalty if you haven't been worrying about estimated taxes, but no one told you so. So you want to make sure you do that. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Noura, accounting and tax professional, and the founder of Noura's Books. I come to you with a lot of taxes, business advices and recommendations, or information just to educate my audience. And also I do have a lot of information about nonprofits and how to get individual donations. I have my master class, and it's been great. Actually, for my friends on nonprofit, I want you to watch out for next Tuesday, because next Tuesday I'll be talking to someone who does help nonprofit getting Google grants so you can get more donations for your organization. But I'm gonna be doing that live on YouTube, so make sure you subscribe to my YouTube. I'm gonna link it below, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you can get the notification when we go live next week at 1 p.m. And I will be talking to I'm not gonna tell you his name yet. I'm gonna talking to him, and he's gonna actually advise, tell you about the process. What do you need to have? I'm going to be talking also about how to get individual donations. What do you need to get ready? And you will get a chance to ask your questions. This is the first time I'm going to be doing YouTube live, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube so you can get the notification. So next week, instead of being live here on Facebook, I'll be live on YouTube. I'll be doing more of that, so watch out and to see I'm going to bring like great guests. So again, back to estimated taxes. Back to estimated taxes. So the deadline for the third quarter is going to be September 15. September 15, you have to make the payment if you think you're going to owe $1,000 or more in taxes when you file for your current year. So make sure you pay your estimated taxes if you think you owe. Again, like it's 4 times during the year you have to pay your estimated taxes. The first one you should have paid on April 15. That would cover January 1st to March 31st. And then the second quarter payment should have been made on June 15. That should cover April 1st to May 31st. And then September 15, which is coming, you should be cover June 1st to August 31st, and then on September for the last quarter, September 1st to December 31st, you should cover you should make the payment for that fourth quarter on January 17 of next year. So this is the last payment you need to make. This is the last payment you are making this year, but for the fourth quarter, again, you're going to make it on the 17th of January of next year. You have to be calculating this correctly. So basically you would do the scenario like you are doing your taxes. There's like a form you can fill out and to help you come up with the number that you might owe at the end of the year, and you divide that by 4, and you have to be updating that number based on your performance and your expectation for each quarter. So it's a little of work. If you need help with that, if you're not sure how to do it, you can either get my course, I'm gonna link below, or you can book a strategy session with me and we can go over and can definitely help you calculate that for you. But you can also start with my course. And if you already know how much you're gonna pay and you're just ready to pay it, I have actually in that course I tell you how much, but then I have free tutorial about how to make payment, different options to make payments. I will also link it below so you can sign up for that and see it for free. This is if you already know the number and you're ready to pay it. Again, if you need any help, book a strategy session with me. It's totally free, 15 minutes consultations. We can talk and see if we are a good fit and if I can help you with anything. Otherwise, I will see you next week. Again, next week I'll be live on YouTube instead, and I will be talking with the guest about Google Grants for nonprofits. So, and if you haven't been in my masterclass yet, make sure to register for September masterclass to help you get $10,000 for your nonprofit in 30 days. Let me know if you have any question, and make sure to be there on YouTube at 1 p.m. Central next week to talk about Google Grant, ask your questions, and I'll see you later. And again, if you don't know yet, I am twice a week I'm live on Facebook and on IG. So on IG, Instagram, on my business Instagram at Noura's Books, I will be going live every Friday at 11 a.m. Central. I used to go afternoon, but it's been difficult to get that done in the afternoon, so now we're shifting that into the morning so you guys can have a chance to attend and then go on for your Friday, start your weekend, or whatever you want to do. But Only for few events I will be going live on YouTube. So make sure you are subscribed to YouTube. Make sure you follow me on Facebook and IG so you do not miss any video and you get a question and get a chance to ask your questions. Again, let me know if you have any question, and don't forget to get the course if you think you might be owing estimated taxes. And if you need more help, feel free to reach out to me and I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you and have a great day. Share this with anyone who you think might be interested to learn from, and talk to you later. Bye.